Hi friends, so last week I took a survey and the survey was on the statement risk taking is very important for entrepreneurs. And well, 17% of the people feel that risk taking is not very important for entrepreneurs, but about 83% of the people feel that risk taking is very important for entrepreneurship. In fact, some of them say that risk taking is 10 on 10, higher the risk, higher the rewards. Now today I want to bust that myth. What is risk? Let's start right from the basics. Risk is something the outcome of which is dangerous, unpleasant. Risk is something where the outcome of which is not under your hands. And if that thing is risk, then risk taking is the most foolish thing that you can do, whether you are an entrepreneur or you're doing anything else, but particularly for entrepreneurs. Now let's listen to what Warren Buffett says. Warren Buffett says that rule number 1 for investing is never lose money. Rule number 2 is don't forget rule number 1. If you go for a drive, somebody says drive safely, don't take risks. That means risk taking is something which is a matter of choice. It is in our own hands. You have to decide whether you want to take risk or whether you don't want to take risk. If you have to go for a trip for Himalayas and somebody asks you, well, there's a risk of dying, would you really go? No ways. Similarly in business, if there is any risk, the consequence of which you cannot handle, you should not take it. It is foolhardy and sounds very heroic to say that I'll get more rewards when you take risk. No, sorry. The rewards do not depend on the amount of risk you take. It has got nothing to do with it. Then from where does this myth come? Why do people think that risk taking is important? Well, they confuse risk taking with uncertainty. Entrepreneurs need not take any risks, but entrepreneurs have to manage high level of uncertainty. I was listening to an interview by a great investor called Mohnish Pabral, and that's where he gave this beautiful insight that entrepreneurs, we need to be ready to manage uncertainty. Well, there's an evidence for it. Look at the lockdown. There were some people who were doomed in the lockdown. There were some people who were depressed. There were some people who just survived. But there are a whole lot of people in this lockdown, during this lockdown, who have thrived. And the people who thrived were the ones who had taken least risks. People who were successful were the people who adapted to the situation in the best possible manner. So you need the ability to adapt to the situation so that you can manage your uncertainty to your advantage. The biggest risks according to me are ignorance, lack of proficiency, or heavy debt or leverage. And people who thrived were the ones who had good reserves, who had good understanding of the situation. That means that reflected by their depth of knowledge and how the world really works, and their proficiency or repertoire of the skills that they had. So my dear friends, it's the reverse. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, do not take risks. In fact, build up your ability and adapt to the changing situations, and that's a true mark of an entrepreneur. Thank you very much. Take care and bye-bye.